everyone, Wendy here at the Denver Museum of Miniatures, Dolls, and Toys. Today we're going to look at one of my favorite pieces of mid-20th century toys. We're going to look at some Renwal dollhouse furniture. There's, of course, it's all plastic. It was made from the end of World War II through the 1950s. So there's a lot of like really good, just like basic pieces. I like that a lot of them really look like real furniture, especially this brown one. This one, only 2 drawers open, which is kind of funny. And then we also have this, super baby pink version of that. You get a lot of just realistic looking. Nothing opens on this one. It's got a paper back, and then maybe it does open. I was wrong. The oven opens, but nothing else. But they're just like a really nice, I like that they look like real furniture. And there's almost everything you could think of. There's this great ironing board, and I like how they have all these moving parts. This is fun. This is, it looks like this might be need a little bit of repair, but it's a stereo and the record player in there. Look at that. Pretty awesome. We've got baby changing tables. Look at those bunnies. And there's also a wash tub in there. There's this really excellent, look at that, a beautiful aqua sofa. And these are just hard plastic. I think these are all Renwal. Sometimes our Renwal and Plasco gets messed up, but can't you just see like what a perfect little parlor chair? And there's more styles. I don't know if I could handle this couch in my house. That's pretty vibrant, but it also, I don't know, it reminds me of like some of that boho chic styling. But there's so much more to just, there's all these great office, oopsies. More chairs. There's office furniture. There's playground equipment. Look at that, a teeter-totter. I believe this is a mangle, which we don't see much anymore. Although I could be wrong. I'd have to look at the records. Some more great play stuff. They'll have lots of different kinds of the same one, similar kind of toy. Although this looks like this is an Acme toy, so this one's different. But, similar era, but a great kind of vibrant look. Wheelbarrow, I mean, really, like, pretty much anything you had in your house, they'd have in a real house. I mean, their dollhouse. It looks like this is actually a kitchen sink and a burner. Nice little sort of apartment setup. And you can see that there's a way to make water come out of the faucet, which is really fun. There's also all these really great, we got a lawnmower here. Look at that. I love all the moving parts. A mop, and it's really got like the mop string, and a broom, and yeah, that's like real. Isn't that fun? So great. And just about everything. Here's a good vacuum. Look at this. Look at that. Real classic vacuum style. There's irons as well. There's just pretty much anything you could think of. I've always been a big fan of. There's even these card tables, and I know, playing bridge and card games was really pretty popular during this time period. So it's really great to see, like the classic folding table. Although this one has a really, look at that fancy rose detail. Set it up, have a luncheon, and there's even folding chairs that go with it. So, I mean, look at that. So great. But probably, and there's just, every time we get a new donation of this era of dollhouse furniture, I'm just impressed that there's always something I haven't seen before. Although I've got a piano here, it's pretty basic. One of my favorite things, and we actually have a bunch of these that were recently donated, are these. I don't know, maybe you'll recognize it. Oopsies, here we go. They're a little tricky to open. Let's see. Oh, here we go. Look at that. It's a sewing machine, and it even goes up and down. And so it's got the little drawers, just like a real sewing machine. Look at that. I don't know if you can see the printing on the back. But this is probably one of my favorite things. I love that it's got this, you know, to open it and close it, you have to pop up this back side, and then it just tucks away. You close it down, and then it fully locks that sucker in, and then you close back up the top. And you'll find real size sewing machines like this all the time. When we did our last move, we actually realized we had 2 or 3, and we didn't keep them because they're very heavy, but they are a lot of fun, and these sewing machines were real workhorses. So that's kind of what I've got in this box today. I'll try to show more furniture from this era at another time. And if you have anything else you want to see, please let me know. Have a great day.